What is the planche?
The planche is an advanced bodyweight exercise where you hold your body parallel to the ground, supported only by your hands. It demands incredible strength in the shoulders, chest, core, and wrists. Mastering the planche improves balance, body control, and total upper body power, making it a coveted goal in calisthenics and gymnastics.
Laying the foundation.
Before starting planche training, build a solid base. Focus on exercises like push-ups, planks, dips, and handstands. These moves strengthen your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. It's also crucial to work on wrist mobility and stability, as planche positions put significant pressure on your wrists. Consistent, well-structured foundational training prepares your body for the demands ahead.
Planche progression steps.
Planche strength is developed through a series of progressions. Start with planche leans to get used to the forward tilt. Move to tuck planche, where you keep your knees close to your chest. Advance to advanced tuck, then straddle planche with your legs spread. Only when you gain control in each step should you attempt the full planche with legs together.
Building a progressive routine.
A well-structured planche routine includes focused holds and complementary exercises. Practice static holds within your skill level for 10 to 20 seconds, 2 to 3 times per session. Add exercises like pseudo-planche push-ups and scapula push-ups to reinforce shoulders and core. Allow at least 48 hours between intense planche sessions to encourage recovery and prevent injury.
Tips for progress and safety.
Say that. Keep your wrists warm and flexible, listen to your body, and avoid rushing to harder progressions. Use resistance bands or parallettes if needed. Celebrate small improvements like longer holds or steadier leans. Proper rest, nutrition, and persistence are key. Progressing to a full planche is a long-term journey, but highly rewarding.